Do you know what one of the biggest hidden costs is when opening a new bank account? It's the minimum balance requirement. That tricky little number that, if you dip below it, can hit you with a monthly service fee and actually cost you money. If you're looking into Poppy Bank or already have an account and want to make sure you're not paying unnecessary fees, understanding these minimum balance requirements is absolutely essential. The good news is, for many of their accounts, the minimum balance requirement is a solid, easy-to-remember number. Let's break it down for the main personal accounts. For a lot of their standard personal accounts, like the Poppy Personal Checking, Poppy Personal Money Market, Poppy Personal Savings, and most of their CD accounts, the magic number you need to keep in mind is $1,000. That's a $1,000 minimum balance requirement. Now, if you let your balance drop below that $1,000 in those accounts, you're typically looking at a monthly service charge. For instance, the Poppy Personal Checking and Money Market accounts generally charge a $10 monthly fee if you don't maintain that $1,000 minimum. The whole point of keeping your money in the bank is for it to grow, not to lose $10 a month. There are a couple of notable exceptions, especially for students. The Poppy Student Checking and Poppy Student Savings accounts have a much lower threshold, often set at $50, and their service charges are generally waived if you maintain that smaller minimum. It's always a good idea to check the very latest fee schedule because these things can change. What about business accounts? Those minimums are typically higher. For standard accounts like Poppy Business Checking and Poppy Business Savings, you're often looking at a minimum balance of $2,500 to avoid that monthly service fee. So, to keep it simple, $1,000 is the key number for most personal accounts, and $2,500 for many business accounts. Keep your eye on those figures, and you can keep your money in your pocket. Always check with the bank directly for the most current terms for your specific account type. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.